Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a little review on this SPTA cordless polisher that I picked up. I'm going to go over everything that was included in the kit and give you my first impressions on how I think this will be used every day here in the shop. So I've been using the quarter cable for probably as long as I've been detailing. I mean, this is the first thing that I learned how to polish on. We've kind of bumped this down to just when we apply our waxes and sealants. But I was looking for something that would be a little easier than dragging this cord around. The cord's very short, it's hard to work with, especially when you throw it over your shoulder. It comes unplugged on the extension cord. So I searched around and I saw that some people were using this mini polisher from SPTA. I picked this up on Amazon and I'll put the link down below. I think it was about 115 bucks and it showed up within a few days. So it got here quick and I got to use it for the first time yesterday. So later on in the video I'll give you my first impression of what I think and how I'll be using it in the shop here. So what I have here is everything that came in the kit, everything that was included, and I'll go over all of this stuff first and then we'll talk more about the actual machine. So everything you see here on the table was included in the kit. We have some polishing pads, we have backing plates, the batteries, and obviously the polisher itself. Instruction manual, and there's the box. Alright, so we have two 12-volt lithium batteries that were included in there along with the charger. There it is there. They also included a car charger. I don't know if I'm ever going to get any use of this thing, but it's pretty cool to have, especially if you're a mobile detailer. You'll have this, to charge as well. The backing plate. So the backing plate was already on. This is the 6-inch that's already on the machine, and then we also have a 5-inch backing plate that's included in the package. Pads. We have some red pads. I don't know if I'm actually going to get to using these. They are kind of soft, so they might be good for applying waxes or sealants. So we have 3 of the 6-inch, we have 3 of the 5-inch, and then we also have included some microfiber pads. Again, 6-inch and the 5-inch are here. Besides for that, we have 2 towels that were included in the box. A wash mitt, I guess this would be considered. We have an apron, and also a little tool bag that we could put the polisher and our batteries in if you're mobile. So just some basic info on the machine itself. Your charge time on the battery, it states on their website and on their Amazon site that the charge time will be about 60 minutes. And runtime on each battery is about 45 minutes. It does have an 8mm throw, so it is an orbital polisher, and it also has variable speed. So you have 1 to 6. 1, you're going to be at 2,500 RPM, and all the way up to 6, which would be 5,000 RPM. I noticed yesterday when I was using it to apply sealant that I had it revved up all the way to 6, and that was able to spread the sealant the best for me. It weighs about 7.5 pounds, and it's really, really light. It's easy to hold in your hand. I was able to move around the car very freely. I didn't have any issues with it slipping out of my hand. It has a little grip in the front here if you were going to be holding it with 2. It was very easy for me to handle going around the car with just one hand, and I had the bottle of sealant in the other hand. Things that I took away from this as I was using it, number 1 was it's very quiet. That's it right there. Extremely quiet. It's like I mentioned, it's very light, it's easy to handle, it's very smooth. Your hand isn't vibrating as much as you would see with the Porter cable that I showed you earlier. After you use it for a long time, your hands are still vibrating after you're done using it. So this is extremely smooth, easy to handle, and I was very impressed with the work time. Like I said, I got through 2 vehicles yesterday, and their little indicator that's over here on the side, I'll turn that on and you can see. So it will light up all the way to here on green to let you know that it's fully charged. So I'm getting more, I'm gonna get a longer use time out of it if I'm on a lower setting. When I bump it up to 6, eventually this green light will go out and it will show you as you're working how much time you have left. This battery is the one that I used yesterday and it's still basically fully charged. Just gonna give you a quick little demonstration of using the machine. I have a Lake Country waxing pad on here and I already applied some sealant. So I'm just gonna do one section here on the hood of this truck and just show you how easy it is to spread it on. I have it on the highest setting, 6, and let's get to putting it on here. See, one hand's easy to control, it's quiet, and I don't have a lot of vibration. There's a little bit of vibration as you're putting it on as compared to when it's free spinning, but very simple. There we go. Now, by no means is this going to take place of the Rupes polisher or the rotary to do any paint corrections, but to apply a sealant or a wax after we've used these machines, absolutely. I think this is going to be one of our go-to machines to do that. We'll probably still get some use out of the quarter cable, but if this keeps working as it did yesterday and I'm able to do multiple cars on a battery, I have a spare battery as a backup, I see probably purchasing at least 1 or 2 more in the future just to have them here and ready to go. All right, so that's going to do it for my quick little review of the SPTA cordless polisher. Comment down below if you have one. Let me know how it works out for you. I'm interested to see how it's going to work out for me over the next couple weeks and if I'm going to wind up getting another one. If you are looking or if you're interested in one, I'll put the link down below in the description. Like I said, it's on Amazon, 115 bucks. Also, if you like what you're seeing on our channel, reviews, cars that we're working on, be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notifications so you know when we come out with new videos. We'll see you on the next one.